All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn everything off but the limiter, and then we can go ahead and listen to it and see how it sounds, and then I'll turn it back on so you can tell the difference. So you can definitely hear the difference. It definitely feels like a record when everything is on. And it just gives it this nice sound, nice round sheen radio sound. So that's the great thing about mastering your records, and in particular using Logic's presets. So it kind of sets you up to sound good, and all you have to do is just kind of tweak them to your track.